My friends, the time has come. I've been practicing day trading for years, about 5 years now. And so now this is the night before I'm going to have my debut trading video. Now you got me right here eating dinner. There's my desk. There's a computer. This is a little bit different from my last one. Sorry, it's a mess right here. I should not even be recording right now. But I wanted to show that if I need to, I could cook inside here while I watch the tube. YouTube, that is. Get that napkin out of there. That shit looks gross. Oh, and that lettuce leaf. Sorry, I was couldn't find my trash can, but it's here. That sounds bad. Enjoy the video, guys. Good morning, everyone. Okay, I should not show the messy side. All right, here we go. All right, so it's currently 6:58. I'm short oil, no, long oil. But it's going against me. I think I'm in a bad trade. I don't think so yet. Let's see. Jeepers creepers, man. Oh, look, it's turning back around again. Look at that. Take two off right here, because I have a lot on right now, to be honest. Oil market opens in a couple minutes. Let's see what happens. Oh, it's about one just filled. Let's see. Oh, come on. Oh, what do you, oh, look. Another one's about to fill. Let's just let this trade play out. Oh, look, there we go. Okay, now my rest of my take profits are all the way up here. 4, 2. There we go. Just to keep going. I don't know, it's trending down. Look. Oh, wow. Where am I at? $400 profit on this trade. 6 oil contracts. Let's see. This is crazy, my friends. Let's see on my other account. Here's the other one. Oh, I'm short 5 ES and long 7 oil. Seems like a lot though. Uh-oh. I think they're both right. Let's see. I'm at. Oh. Let's see. This is the pre-market, so you can't expect it to do much. Oh, God. Oil almost bouncing here. We got a lot of buyers coming in right here. Almost break even on that trade. Now this is the part about trading, is just waiting. That's most of it. Look, oil has, my position has gone positive now. turn it back. Hold on. It's going. It's going. Oh. Oil market is open now. Great. Let's see this one. It's still just holding there. Yes, I'm going to add more up there. Well, oil flushed down and kicked me out, and now I have to reset this account. See, I had this one up to 157,000. That's okay. Let's check my other account. Oh no. Flatten. Let's reverse the position. No. Nice. Look at that. Holy fuck, dude. It's dropping like crazy. I don't know what's going on. Short 6 oil. Let's see. It's Friday morning. Let's see. Let's go down here. How far is that? Oh my god, I don't know if I have enough time. I have to start work at 7. I'm camped out in front of the construction site. Let's see, how are we at on this long? This is 30-minute candlesticks. Oh, look at that. This kind of seemed to be whipping lower on each one. Let's see. It's my profit loss up 200. Let's see. Check my S&P 500. Ooh. Uh-oh. I'm about to get kicked out of this one too. Oh, it's accelerating. Where am I at? Profit 700 on oil. It's accelerating. Holy fuck. Should I add? I think I'm gonna add. Oh, short 9 oil. It's a big position, guys. I think you need about like $500,000 in real life to do this. Good thing this is a evaluation account with a prop firm. So let's start doing take profits right here. So I don't know if I have. I don't know how many I added, I think 4. Okay, let's see. This one's easier to see on camera. Up 1,000, up 700. But again, gotta make up for that 1,600 that I lost. That $1,600 losing trade that happened earlier. Let's see. Down 400 on this one. Let's see. I added in a bad spot here. It's accelerating. Well, no. Let's see. Oh my god. I just got one. So let's see. Up. Ooh shit. Oh fuck. Who knows how long this trade will take to get down to all my take profits. But all I need to do is break the low that it just broke and created another low. So now we're waiting. Let's see. We're almost down to that tippity tip of before. On our 30-minute chart. Now we're back to our 5-minute candlesticks. Sure wish I didn't blow that other account earlier. Oh no, connection lost. I need to get a freaking mobile extender. Signal extender or something. But look at that, holy fuck. Now, oh shit. I told them to buy back too much, but I think it's gonna... let's do here and here. Oh, S&P has gone way too far against me. 1400, I don't care. I think I'm done for the day anyways. Flatten. It's crazy. Oh. Oil? Really? I break even now on oil. Continued strength. Look at that. Holy fuck. Let's see my profit loss for the day in second. I'm still down 900. I think I should just call it a day. Should I get back into oil? I don't know. Check lower than before, and they bounce up here. Let's see. 5. Let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see what happens. Where am I at? Huh. Okay. Positive 125. Let's see. So trading really is boring. It's never going to be that exciting. Okay. Up 325. We've got a slight bounce. Let's see if it goes to at least my first take profit. 475. This is easier to see. Let's see. Is it going? I needed to push. Let's turn this light off so we can focus. Almost there. Just a couple more ticks. Oh, look at that. It almost... See, I just need to go a little further. Take profit right there. Up 540, 580. There we go. Let's see. Oh, there we go. My first one. My second one. Now, this is profit on that many contracts because I already took profit on the other contracts. One more. Let's move it up. There we go. Up above this one. Oh, I think it got it before I could move it. That's okay. Right here. Now if it comes back, if it comes back down, at least halfway to my break even, I'm out either way. But of course it's gonna gyrate or something, so of course it's gonna kick me out. Yes, I did blow another account earlier. That's fine. I reset it. These are evaluation, which is probably why I put on so much risk and why it's so hard for me to pass these challenges. But the way to pass these challenges is to treat them like they're real money, because they are, and it only takes a couple days to pass these challenges. Let's see. Oh, it's coming against me too much. I almost don't even want to risk the biscuit. Let's see. I think there's too much interest in pushing it down, so, or, let's see. I'm hovering my mouse over the flatten. There we go. It's 6:23 a.m. I only got like 10 minutes before I have to start getting ready for work. On this one single contract, $275 profit. Oh, look at that. Hey, I might actually finish up for the day. It's building strength in my favor. Let's see. 29. I think I'm gonna just go ahead and take that right there. There we go. Let's check my balance. Oh, look. Up 240 after taxes and fees. I'm up like $90 after taxes and fees. Those big wild swings to make $90. That's what this trading is about, folks. That's what this day trading is about. If you think there's anything more than that, well, maybe you did less trades and got less taxes and fees taken from you. And it continues to push in my favor. Light on real quick so everyone can see. Well, that's it. I have to start getting ready for work. I could get back in as oil continues to push in my favor, but I'm going to go ahead and call it. So thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. And this is mobile day trading. I'm in the back of a pickup truck right now. There's my burner stove, computers. I like how the computers look when the light's off. See, I have another monitor that I could put right here, but I really only need this for how much room that I have, and it's really not that different. So thanks for watching. Subscribe, please.